Exercise 3.1 objective type question there. The product of 7p cube and 2p squared whole squared. 7p cube into 2p squared whole squared. And for use the symbol is multiplication. Why their product meaning is multiplication. 7p cube into 2p squared 2 times you write. Why their power is 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. P 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. First question answer is 28 p power 7. Next minus 3 m cube n into 9 dash is equal to dash m power 4 n power 3. Now you see the number. Here only one minus symbol is there. You write in first answer for minus. 9 3 9s are 27 also you write. First work is completed. Now variable is, what is the variable? M and n. Here answer for also m and n. So what number here want to come? Here power is 3, here power is 4. So need in one more m only. Now here power is 1, n power, here power is 3. So need in n squared. Now answer equal to m n squared comma minus 27 is the answer. Next question, area of a square equal to 36 x power 4 y squared. Side you find that area of a square formula equal to a square, write it the number. A equal to this square root 2 power 2 is there, equal to after going square root symbol. Which two number you multiply and get the answer equal to 36? 6 6 are 36. X power 4 how do they divide? X squared into x squared. Y squared y into y. The 2 6 from you write in 1 6, 2 x squared from you write in 1 x squared, 2 y from you write in 1 y. Now answer equal to 6 x squared y is the answer. 9th question answer is 28 p power 7. 10th question answer is m n squared comma minus 27. 11th question answer is 6 x squared y. Next question, first area of that rectangle equal to L into B. They are given in the area of a rectangle equal to 48 m cube m squared n cube is equal to L length equal to, they are given in 8 m n squared into B value you find there. Into change into the division equal to after. So 48 m squared n cube divided by 8 m n squared. 1 8 is 8. 6 8s are 48. Here 2m, here 1m. You cancel, remaining is 1 is balance. N square here also balance in 1. So answer equal to 6m n is the answer. Objective type question. Area of a rectangle equal to formula L into B. They are given in area of a rectangle value equal to a squared minus b squared. B value equal to, they are given in a minus b. Find in the L value. Now a squared minus b squared, that into symbol change into the division. A minus b is equal to L. A squared minus b squared. Last year studied the identity a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b is the identity formula. All are know this formula. So a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b into a minus b divided by a minus b. A minus b strike out. Remaining is, what is that one? A plus b. Now L value equal to a plus b. Now 3.1 objective type questions completed. Good morning students. Today topic division of algebraic expressions. Exercise 3.2 x power m divided x power n is equal to x power m. This division by x power n. So division change into the minus. How time write there? 2x from you write in 1x m minus n. So this identity x power m divided x power n is equal to x power m minus n. So example sum. 2 model I say and give the sum. First model 10p power 4 divided 2p cube. First model 10p, write it the question again. 10p power 4 divided 2p cube. 10p power 4 division for by 2p cube. 10 into 10 here in between symbol is into only. P power 4 for p into p into p into p 4 times right. Divided 2 into p into p into p. So 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. Cancel 1p 1p, here cancel. Remaining is, what is there? 1p is balance. So 5p is the answer. This is first model. Second model, the same sum. How to do? See the sum. P power 4 divided 2p cube. Solution right hand. p power 4 divided by 2p cube. So easily 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. 5 you write, first divide the number, you write it in 5. Next p right after, here power is, what is the power? 4. Here 3 is the upgoing for this division, change into the minus, next you write it in the power number is enough there. So 5, 4 minus 3 is 1, p 5p, p power 1 is p only answer. Now answer is, what is the answer? 5p only answer. So which identity want to use there? X power m. Now exercise 3.1, filling the blanks. 18 m power 4 dash 2 m cube n cube is equal to dash m n power 5. Write it the question. First work is you divide the number. 1 2 is 2, 9 2s are 18. So 9 first you write. Next variable is m, here also m. So m power 4, power value here 4, here power value is 3. So division change into the minus for 4 minus 3 n. Here n value is there not have. So don't know the number, power number, you put in on round. Down number is, what is the number? 3. So minus 3 right. Here which number right after minus 3, you get it, the answer is 5, 8. So 8 minus 3 is, what is the answer? 5. Now answer equal to n m power 5. Second question, L power 4 m power 5 n power dash divided by 2 L m power dash n power 6, you get it, the answer equal to L cube m square n divided by 2. Sorry, dash. See there, first you write it the question. Dash you write, there have the answer also write. Here 2 is there, have first you write it 2. Next one variable you compare there. L value equal to power 4 minus, here power, any power also there not have means minus 1. 4 minus 1 is, what is the answer? 3. So L cube is have the answer, correct. Next m power 4, m power 5. Here down m power is there not have, which number? m 5 to which number? Minus and get it, the answer is 2, 3. So here you write it the 3. First here down you write in 3, up answer is 2 is coming the answer, this one also correct. Next here n power, don't know the number. So which number? Minus and get it, the answer is 1, 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. Here write it, power 1 also correct, not write 1 also correct there. Now answer equal to L cube m square n divided by 2. Next question, 42 a power 4 b power 5 dash divided by 6 a power 4 b squared is equal to dash b power dash c power squared. So write it the question again. First you divided the number. 42 divided by 6. 1 6 is 6. 7 6 are 42. First you write it the number. Next a value compare there. A power, here also 4, here also 4. 4 minus 4 is, answer is 0. Any number power 0 means, what is the answer? 1 is the answer. Here write it the 1 also correct, not write 1 also correct there. Next see power, divide the b value. Here power b power 5, here b power 2. B power 5 minus 2 equal to, what is answer? 3. b power 3. Here answer for c squared is there. Here also there not have c, here also dash. So must want to come the answer c squared for what is there have, here write it that answer. 7b cube c squared is the answer. Next, true or false? 8x cube y divided 4x squared is equal to 2xy. This is correct or wrong? 8x cube y divided by 4x squared. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. First you write it that 2. Next here x power is 3, here power is 2. 3 minus 2 is, answer is 1. X are there having y as it is, what is there have, you write it there. Power 1 right means also correct, not right means also correct. Now 2xy, here come the answer also 2xy, sum is true. 7ab cube divided 14ab equal to 2b squared. You write it the question, 7ab cube divided by 14ab squared. Okay, right after divide the number. Divide the number for what is the answer is there have 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. Come the number is, what is the number? 1 by 2. After only compare in the b value. Here power is 3, here power is 1. 3 minus 1 is answer is 2. Here 1 by 2 b squared is the answer. Here come the answer is 2b squared. So sum is false. Next question. 27y cube by 3y. Third row letter 27y cube divided by 3y. Write it the question. 27y cube divided by 3y. First divide the number. 1 3 is 3, 9 3 is 27. Write it 9. Here next variable is, what is the variable? Y. Here power is 3, here power is 1. So division for using the symbol is minus. 9 y 3 minus 1 is 2. Answer equal to 9y squared. Next question. X cube y squared by x squared y. Write it the question. X cube y squared. First two variable is there. First variable is x. Next variable is y. X variable to only compare that. 3 here power is 2. 3 minus 2. Here power is 2. Here power is any number also not, means you write it 1. 2 minus 1. 3 minus 2 is, what is the answer? 1. 2 minus 1 is, what is the answer? 1. You write in here power 1 also right, not right means also correct. Answer is xy only answer. 45 x cube y squared z power 4 by 15 x y z. Write it the question. By for using the symbol is divide. This divide symbol change into the by. Here 45 near is any symbol also there not have, you put in plus symbol. So plus 45 x cube y squared z power 4 divided by minus 15 xy z. Y here write in plus symbol. Next number for they are given in the minus value for up number not have the symbol for, write it in the plus. Plus into minus minus. 115 is 15. 3 15s are 45. First write it the 3. X value to compare. X power 3. Here power is any number not means 1. 3 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Z 4 minus 1. Minus 3 x squared. Y power 2 minus 1 is y. 1 only coming. So z equal to cube. Minus 3 x squared y z cube. Next 3xy whole squared by 9xy. 3xy whole squared. So how to divide the number? 3xy into 3xy. So 2 number is there. How far write it there? 9xy. 3 3s are 9. X into x, x squared, y into y, y squared. So 9x squared, y squared divided by 9xy. 9 9 cancel. X squared for 2 minus 1. 9 is 9 for 1 x. 2 minus 1 y. 2 minus 1. Here power is 1. Power is 1. The division for use the symbol is minus. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 xy. Answer equal to 1 xy. For xy you write it means enough there. Next question. Simplify. Fourth Roman letter. 3m squared divided by m plus 2m power 4 divided by m cube. Write it the same question there. Right after 3 m squared for 2 minus 1 plus 2 m 4 minus 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 time write means m there. 4 minus 3 also 1. Power 1 only they are coming for 3m plus 2m. 2 variable also, what is the term? Like term. 3m, 2m. M for you chocolate you think. 3 chocolate plus 2 chocolate equal to, what is the answer? 5 chocolate. Here chocolate instead of they are given in the variable m. So 3 plus 2 equal to 5. M like terms. So you write it, the answer is, what is the answer there? Want write 5m you write. Next question. 14p power 5 q cube divided by 2p squared q minus 12p cube q power 4 divided by 3q squared. Write it the same question. First divide the number. 1 2 is 2. 7 2s are 14. Here also divide the number. 1 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. First write it 7. Next p power 5. Here 2. 5 minus 2. 3. Here power is 1. 3 minus 1. Minus 4. P cube. Suppose here not have the p value for, leave it that one. P cube. Q value equal to 4 minus 2. 4 p cube q squared minus 4 p cube q squared. two variables also like term. This 2 also what is the term there? Like terms. 4 minus 7 equal to 3. 3p cube q squared. 4 chocolate minus 7 chocolate minus 4 chocolate equal to 3 chocolates. Chocolate instead of p cube q squared thing can do the work. Next, fifth Roman letter, divide. 32y squared minus 8yz by 2y. What is the difference between before Roman letter and this Roman letter? They are given in the monomial. One term only divide. Here given in the how many terms? This is one term. This minus 8y is second term. So 2 term divided by monomial. 32y squared minus 8yz divided by division symbol 2y. This full number also is divided by 2. Y. This full number also is divided by 2y. 32y square minus 8y is divided by 2y. One variable, one term you divide the number. 32y square divided by 2y minus 8y is divided by 2y. Y they are writing in 2y 2 times. They are given in the 2 term, one term. 32 also divided by 2y, 8y is also divided by 2y. Now divide the number. 32, 1, 2 is to 16 2s are 32, 16. 2 minus 1 equal to what is the answer? Y. So otherwise no means here cut it the number. Here 1y, that balance is 1 by y. Next 1, 2 is to 4 2s are 8, 4. Y cancel, remaining is what is the answer? Z. 16y minus 4z. Next question, 4m squared n cube plus 16 m power 4 n squared minus 3m divided by 2mn. Next, write it the question. Division for using the symbol is by, instead of using the symbol is division. This division for using the symbol is divide. So one term. How many term is there? 1, 2, 3. Trinomial is there? One term for divided by 2mn. So how do they write in first step? 4m squared n cube divided by 2mn. 14. So one term want to divide. 16 m power 4 n squared divided by 2mn minus mn divided by 2mn. 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is to 8 2s are 16. Here any number also there have, you write it there same only. 2 into m squared, here power is 1. 2 minus 1 is what is the answer? 1. M cube, here power is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 m power 4, here power is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. N squared, 2 minus 1 is 1. Here you minus there, m cancel means 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. This one value equal to what is the value? 1 is the value. This one value equal to what is the value? See there, m power 1 minus 1, n power 1 minus 1. Get it, the answer is 0, 0. This 0, 0 value, up value only what is the value? 1 divided by 2. 2 m power 1, 2 power m power 1 for m you write means n of 2m n squared plus 8 m cube n minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 should not forget, very carefully listen and do it or work. Next question, 5xy squared minus 18x squared y cube plus 6xy divided by 6xy. See the first step, solution write and again write it the question. This by instead of putting the symbol is divide. Next, this division for using the symbol is by. 5xy squared minus 18x squared y cube plus 6xy divided by 6xy. 3 terms, each term divided by 6xy. First term, second term, third term. So divide there. 5xy squared divided by 6xy minus 18x squared y cube divided by 6xy plus 6xy divided by 6xy. 5 by 6, 5 by 6. Here power is 1, here power is 1. 1 minus 1. Y power 2, y power 1. 2 minus 1. 18 divided by 6, x power 2 minus 1. Here power is 1. 2 minus 1. Here 3 minus 1. Plus 6 by 6, x power 1 minus 1, y power 1 minus 1. 5 by 6, 5 by 6. Any number also not possible. So you write in x 5 by 6. 1 minus 1 is power is 0. Here 2 minus 1 is power is 1. 2 minus 1, 1 6 is 6, 3 6 are 18, 3 you write it. X y squared. Next 6 minus 6 by 6 equal to 1666. 1 x power 0 y power 0. Next step, very carefully listen. Here x power 0 value equal to 1, so no need writing 1. 5 by 6 y minus 3x y squared 1. Here value x power 0 y power 0 value equal to 1 for 1 only. 1 into 1 equal to 1 is the answer. Next question, 81 p power 4 q squared r cube plus 2 p cube r cube q cube r squared minus 5 p squared q squared r squared by 3 p q r whole squared. Very easy the sum. So how to I am writing, see there. First this by for using the division symbol, next divided. Next this step only very carefully listen there. 3pq squared for what is the meaning? 3pqr into 3pqr. Next here 81, here bracket meaning also what is the meaning? Into. So 1 number multiple by 81. So I am writing in 81 p power 4 q squared r cube. Next symbol is plus. 81 into 2. See there 81 into 2 into p cube q cube r squared minus 81 into 5 into p squared into q squared into r squared. Okay, 81 should not forget. 3 terms also you write in 81. Why there? Multiplication. So 1 by 1 you write. This 1 term divided by this 2 term. 81 p power 4 q squared r cube divided by this number p into 3 into p into q into r into 3 into p into q into r. Okay, next term also the same only. So very easily there how to there multiple. 81 you write p power 4 q squared r cube. 3 3s are 9. P into p squared, q into q squared, r into r squared. 3p squared, q squared, r squared. Second one also the writing in up number same only, the down number only 9 p squared, q squared, r. Whatever multiplication method doing here the same method only. 81 into 5 into p squared into q squared into r squared divided by 3 3s are 9 p squared into q squared into r squared. Next step, here you directly divide means also correct there. Okay, 1 9 is 9, 9 9s are 81. First work. P power 4, p power 2. 4 minus 2 is what is the answer? 2 only answer. Q squared cancel. R power 3, here R power 2. 3 minus 2 is answer is 1. Next one, 81, 9 9s are 81. 9 2s are 18. P power 3, p power 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Here 3 minus 2 is 1. R square is right code there. Next step, 1 9 is 9, 9 9s are 81. 9 5s are 45. P square cancel, q square cancel, r square cancel, and right means over the work. Next one, identify the errors and correct them. You write it the question first. LHS RHS equal to left side, LHS equal to right side RHS. LHS value to come the RHS value also are not check. 7y squared minus 1y squared plus 3y squared. All the one is what is the term there? Y squared like term. All the one is what is the term there? Like term. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 3, 6 plus 3 is what is the answer? 9y squared. Here given the answer is 10y squared. Therefore RHS value 10y squared is wrong. Correct answer is 7y squared minus y squared plus 3y squared equal to 9y squared. See there all the one is what is the term? Like term. How to this is the like term? Y squared, y squared, y squared. So 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is the answer. Here come the answer is 10y squared. So question is wrong. Your correct answer is 9y squared is the answer. Next is sum 6xy plus 9xy. 2 also what is the term? LHS RHS you divide. 2 also what is the term? Like term. 6 plus 3 equal to 9xy. Here given in 9x squared y squared. So this is wrong. RHS value is wrong. Correct answer is 6xy plus 3xy equal to 9xy. Next question. M bracket meaning is into. M into 4m minus 3 is equal to 4m squared minus 3. So write it the question RHS LHS. RHS to you find this bracket meaning is multiplication. 4m into 4m minus m into 3m. M into 4m, multiple the number, m into 3. 4 m into m equal to m squared, 3 into m equal to 3m is the answer. So given the question for which is RHS value is wrong, you get it, the answer is 4m squared minus 3m is the correct answer. Next sum, 4n whole squared minus 2n plus 3 equal to 4n squared minus 2n plus 3. Solution write and 4 you write it the question. LHS RHS you write. This 4n meaning is, what is the meaning of 4n into 4n? 4n into 4n is minus 3 plus 2n plus n. 4 4s are 16. N into n squared minus 2n plus 3. So RHS value is, what is that given? 4n squared minus 2n plus 3 is that given. It is wrong. Correct answer is, what is the 4n whole squared minus 2n plus 3 is equal to 16n squared minus 2n plus 3 is the correct answer. Next, x minus 2 plus x plus 2, x minus 2 into x plus 3 equal to x squared minus 6. How to the add multiple there? LHS. First LHS, next one is RHS. Write it the LHS question. X minus 2 into x minus 3. So one term you multiple. X2 you multiple in x plus 3. Minus 2 you to multiple in x plus 3 is you multiple there. X into x squared 3 into x equal to 3x. Minus 2 into x equal to minus 2x, plus into minus is minus 2 3s are 6. X squared, these two also like term, 3x minus 2x equal to 1x, you write means also correct, not write means also correct. Minus 6, RHS value equal to x squared minus 6 is there given in question from, it is wrong. So correct answer is x squared plus x minus 6 is the correct answer. Next, minus 3p squared plus 4p minus 7, you get it, the answer is minus of 3p squared plus 4p minus 7 is there given. So LHS RHS you write after. Here you see there very carefully, you see there minus of, minus you take in outside. Right after this minus change into the plus, plus change into the minus, minus change into the plus, right means over the work. Minus right in outside, start the bracket. Minus 3p squared, what I am write? Plus 3p squared plus 4p minus 4p minus 7 plus 7. RHS value is wrong. Minus they are given in the question from there, see the sim, compare the two number, two also wrong, symbol only just different is there have. So even the question is wrong. Correct answer is, what is answer there? Minus of 3p squared minus 4p plus 7 is the correct answer. Seventh sum statement. A statement is, if 24p squared q squared is divided by 3pq, then the quotient is 8p. First statement. Second statement is simplification of 5x plus 5 divided by 5 is 5x. Find it the answer. Given in the option for which one is correct. Statement A. 24p squared q squared divided by 3pq. 1 3 is 3. 8 3s are 24. Next, p cancel for 1p is balance there. Here q cancel for 1q is balance. Answer equal to 8pq. They are given in the answer is 8p. So question is, first statement A is wrong. Second statement, 5x plus 5 divided by 5. Two terms for divide. 5x divided by 5 plus 5 by 5. This 5 cancel means answer is, what is answer? X. Here 1 5 is 5 1. Plus in between symbol is 1 plus symbol x plus 1. They are given in the answer is 5x. So 2 answer also wrong. A answer also wrong. B answer also wrong. Given the statement for which one is correct, both A and B are false is the correct answer. Next question. Statement A. Eighth question. Statement A equal to 4x squared plus 3x minus. Eighth sum, statement A is there given 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. Next is equal to 2 into 2x squared plus 3x divided by 2 minus 1. Statement B is there given in 2m minus 5 minus of 5 minus 2m. How do they read? Minus of is equal to 2m minus 5 plus 2m minus 5. First you take the first statement. How to do the sum? Statement A, 2 equal to after is, what is that given in the answer? See there, that one I am taking that. Equal to after is, what is that given? You write it there. So 2 into, this meaning, bracket meaning is into 2x squared plus 3x by 2 minus 1. multiple the number. 2 2s are 4. 4x squared. Next symbol is plus. 2 into 3x minus 2. 1 2 is 2 minus symbol. 4x squared. This 2 cancel. Answer is 3x minus 2. 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. So here common and question is easy there. 4x squared plus 3x minus 2 is coming. So statement A is correct there. Next one, statement B. 2m minus 5 minus of 5 minus 2m. 2m minus 5. This minus symbol I change into the plus. Change for next bracket I change in the all the symbol. Plus 5 change into the minus 5. Minus 2m change into the plus 5. Otherwise you multiply the number minus 5. Minus into minus plus 2m. Any method also you follow that. 2m minus 5 plus this 2m you write after write it the minus change and write 2m minus 5 plus 2m minus 5. That question from that come the answer also 2m minus 5 plus 2m minus 5 is come the answer. So B statement also correct there. Now both A and B are true. The sum for 8th sum.